Okay, so these are variegated string of hearts from Nature's Planters. Tory, I ordered 2 variegated hearts and they were shipped today very fast. Very fast. Like he shipped it yesterday and it was delivered today. Very fast. And I'm looking forward to opening these. I love these so much. And these are so beautiful. And the customer service is amazing. Well packed. Wow. This is really well packed. Let me see. What? Can the camera see it? Sorry, I'm outside because my mom is vacuuming. But I really wanted to share these hearts because they're so beautiful. Oops. Oh, these are really pretty. See that? Really pretty. Here's one. I am very, very excited to see this. He was so generous and so nice. Very well packaged. Everything's so neat. Oh, there she is. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, it's my dream. I love these so much. So pretty. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Thank you, Tory. Again, this is from Nature's Planters. Here's the non-variegated, very full. Oh, this is great. This is so amazing. I don't want to unwind it just yet, but they're very full. Oh my God, this, I'm gonna cry, dude. I love these. This is really, and I believe they're about 50, a little over 50, and shipping's reasonable, and they're shipped fast. So pretty. I just love these so much. I wanted to order a couple of them because I have a look that I'm going for in my room with all these hearts. I don't want to mess with it too much. There's that one. Very full. Put this in the shot here. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. Okay, we got one more. Again, this is really well packaged. It's like snug. This is, I've ordered a pair on Etsy and I actually lost like half the dirt. But this is gorgeous. Really well packaged. Oh, it's so pretty. Again, this is Nature's Planters. naturesplanter.com, and you can order your pair. Great customer service. I'm very satisfied. And thanks for watching. Thank you.